Probably if you watch the previous video, you know what's going on. I'm going to play it to one of my faves. Oscar is winning the shit. So we're back. Or until one of those other bitches. Just one of my faves win. Or legal Oscar though, but at least one of them has to win like once. So I'm going to play. I'm not really going to look at everything, but we'll see. Let's go here. Good start, Monzo. Good start. Yeah, I'm still eating. Still fucking early in the morning. Half that. I'm sorry, but when I look at these pictures, I just smile because I love them both. Yeah. I think that is what I should fucking kill him, but. Yes, thanks, Heart. He won't kill my face this time. I was thinking, like, is he dead or something? Okay, George would never kill someone. Other than Pence, but that's about it. Oh, there goes Wendy, the waitress. Didn't notice Bailey died. Shit. What the fuck? What to actually fucking fuck? Okay, of course. But that's his best friend. No. George, you fucking bitch. This is a really interesting game. Becky killing Vito. Becky killed Vito. The fuck? No, they still play together sometimes. They're basically like idiot defenders duo. Sometimes joined by Simulator 243 and then yet by Quartet. Them kill each other. Yes. I love it. So it's funny. Really? Becky and Luquita betraying us. There goes Eska. Ah, there goes Marcus. I'm working together. Sorry, I love the whole scene. I love them. I love them. Aww, Simmy. 50 people, beautiful people that died. Vito. Alonso. Oscar. Marcus. 10. Man Howard. Although they were don't give a shit about. I'm so honest, it's kind of sweet, but. So first you kill your fucking best friend, who I ship you with, and then you go sleep with someone else. Little bitch. I don't know, but I don't think he is actually straight. I'm on season 3. Just, if he turns out to be fucking lesbian, I'm going to drink a lot that day. Don't maybe gay straight alliance. We don't know. Fire is in the streets, we know that. Should have wife in season 2. What's her name again? Sissy? Nee, but they. Oh, I'm sorry. That is so sick in my head. Yes, Makita, yes. Protect your fucking idiot son. They tell each other stories. Well, I'm saying my best friend is a fucking idiot. When I'm injured, he's not injured, and when he's injured, I'm injured. I'm not injured. Because we treat each other well, and everybody knows us for our fucking cover. What is it? Yeah, I'm serious. I think that's even on Wikipedia. I'm just sorry, but who the fuck did that? I love you. I actually want to know who did this, actually. The fuck, okay. Actually, the fucking fuck. I'm trying to look at how I can edit this. Like, I really want to know who did this. So a small part didn't actually record. I'm really glad I discovered it before this shit happened, because also, I looked up who did it. It was my boyfriend, by the way. Did it on my account. You know what? I just pure stream. It was my account. He did this. Also, I let you hear that song. I heard it in part of the video. I will do that again just because. There we go. Because Sejong's happening. Maritimo. Hey. I love them both. And now we're back. And I forgot that you can record it. So, alright, but look at those big bitches. Yeah, girl, keep George alive. There goes him, eh? You bitches. The fact that they actually picked, like, she's 3, he's 5, and he's 4. Okay, one of you kill the other. Great. Great decade. He's not there for a home, it's always 3. So. Okay, this is actually fucking sad. Poor George. You 2 bitches will be missed. You 3 bitches. 3 or 4 bitches will be missed. No, maybe 5. I was saying, like, maybe Becky. And now Becky died. So, what can she tell about herself to him? Hi, I'm married to a man. Working. Yeah, I'm the world's best football player. I'm the best midfielder in the world. That's the one fan. I won Ballon d'Or in 2018. Bright fucking country of less than 4 fucking billion people to the world. Come on. Thank you. I was thinking, like, maybe Nikita can win. Oh, love it. Thinks about winning. I was saying, like, maybe Lily is going to win. It's gonna be fun if Lily wins. They're fucking little rats. Whoa. Love it. Lily is amazing. Look at my Pokemon. He killed 5 people! I wanna know who they killed. Also, these bitches. Another placement. Oh my god, about that. This dude for my placement. Where's that going to stop? 38. Okay. Died soon when he is killed by his best friend. Commits suicide. But what did Esker? I said Esker. Because mostly it's Esker who kills people. Excellent. He could have. Actually, it wouldn't surprise me if it killed himself. Also wrong copying. So, who did take a kill? I'm hungry. Sorry. He is part of the triple kill. Or if you missed anything I didn't record, here you go. Maggie, that's 4. It's 5. It's actually any of them today. Marty and Alex. His calls and this with him. I just realized. This Alex also on the show. Shit. Lol. Nah, one. Nothing against her. You can get that girl fucking for me. Can't believe. My break so far, by the way. But see you next video.